Hello Stampers, I'm Dina Lansendorf at Inkin' with Dink and welcome to this week's video. So since it is close to the end of the month, this week I'm going to be showing you my paper pumpkin alternatives. This was a fun kit again. I am always surprised by these kits. I open them up and go, oh no, what am I going to do with this? And then once I start playing with them, it's so fun. So if you're ready, I'm going to flip the kit and we'll get started. So if you're not familiar with Paper Pumpkin, it is Stampin' Up's subscription kit. It comes monthly, and the box typically looks like this. They do make them different colors and decorations and stuff depending on the holidays coming up and what the kit is. So this month's was called Time for Cake. It's all wrapped in cellophane when you get it. When you open it all up, everything's wrapped in tissue paper. It's like it's a whole gift for you, a big surprise. And then you get to start pulling out your contents. So every month you get a stamp set. Okay, this was a birthday one. So it says, make a wish. There's some candles, some balloons, the flame for the candle. Lost count, because you'll see where that comes in on a card. It's time for cake, happy birthday, and celebrate. So it's very fun. You also got a bonus one this month, which is also cool because it's all the numbers. And I love it because it has the ST, ND, TH, RD, which those are sometimes hard to find in stamp sets. So this one's going to come in handy for other projects. Okay. I always pull out the directions. I love these because they're full color pictures of what the projects in the kit look like. This kit made 3 cards and it made 3 of each. Excuse me. When you open it up, it has your step-by-step directions. There's no instruction or no written directions. It's all pictures, so it's super easy to follow to see exactly what you're supposed to be doing for all the cards. So then what I do is I always make one of each of the cards that it's meant to make, okay? So this was a fun one, and it has the little tie right here. And when you untie it and it opens it up, and look at this, it's got all these candles. Isn't that fun? And it says lost count. Oh, no. So that's kind of a fun one. I'll tie that back together in a minute. The kit made this one. I love this one with the balloons. I love the little, there we go, the foil looks on it and accents. Too cute. Love it. And then look at this fun one with a birthday cake. So you put in the slices, the colors and the candle, and this was a die cut that says hooray, and it's so fun. It made some really cool ones. So then once I make one of what everything the kit is meant for, then I start playing around and see what else I can come up with. So as I was making them, I like to use all the pieces, especially all the die cuts and things like that. So this one, I just put the balloons on it and make a wish. Again, I love the foil and it makes the cards look extra fancy. This one, I thought, let me put this over here, was really cute. Okay, it was this background piece, but I didn't use the big balloons on it. I just did the little ones and then stamped a couple of extra on there. Drew the balloon strings. I thought that added to it, and just put hooray in the middle. Let's see, this one here is just the cake one. I did a little different. This was my favorite of the cake layers, and so I did 3 of them and then put hooray, it's time for cake. As I was doing all these, I had a ton of candles left over. They really gave you a lot of candles. So I just put them on like this, just all across here, kind of overlapped them, put happy birthday, and then tied some of the copper string on it. Thought that was kind of fun. And then I did another play off of this one, okay, that we did. I didn't tie it shut. It'll stay shut in an envelope. And then if you have the tag and they pull it open, then it looks like that. So I just thought that was kind of fun and different. And then anybody who watches me regularly knows I am a big scrapbooker. So I always make my scrapbook layout with my kit. So in this one, I put the balloon on here, the happy. I cut out of one of the envelopes because the envelopes are decorated inside this time. I did one of the candle cards across the bottom. Just did some strips of the petal pink to add some color to it. And then again, put the string on here. And the corresponding page is right here. Birthday, used a couple more balloons, did the cake down here. But I thought it turned out really cute. I love the colors on this one, on this kit. I think that's really fun. But so that is, I wonder if I can there we go. Go in a little bit, and then you can see the whole thing. So there is the whole layout. So there you go. That is my alternatives for this month. Again, it was a super fun project and fun kit to work with. I really like the colors on this one. If you don't subscribe, if you're not a subscriber, I would love for you to sign up under me. I will put the link in the descriptions. And otherwise, thank you guys so much for joining me, and I'll see you next week.